Welcome back, YouTube. This is day 2 of fixing the Corvette. Day 1, put a new axle in it. As you saw, it needed it. So that fixed that part, but we still have an issue where the traction light and the ABS light come on. When I snapped the axle at the track, those two lights came on right away. The code that we're getting is C0050, which is right rear wheel speed sensor circuit or something like that. So I think it might be a hub. Maybe it's the wheel speed sensor. I'm not quite sure, but that's what we're going to figure out today. I tried clearing those codes from the car, and as soon as I clear them, they come right back. So I'm not sure if we got a wire that's messed up or what, but that's what we're going to find out today. So today we actually got the Corvette up on the lift now since we got the axle replaced. But I just want to show you guys something quick. For anyone who has snapped an axle, you probably know this, but just wanted to show all the people that haven't snapped an axle because this is crazy. So when you snap an axle, grease goes flying everywhere, and I thought I already cleaned up a bunch of it, but it is still all over the place. So cleaning the grease off of the car is also something else I'm doing today. Alright guys, so we came up with a game plan. What we're going to try and do is we're going to take this wheel bearing, wheel hub assembly that we got from Napa, and we're going to put it on, plug it in, and see if that's what the issue is, and if we can clear the code. If that's the case, then we'll just put this wheel bearing on that we got from Napa, and that should fix it, hopefully. This is the wheel bearing that we got. That's the part number for it. Got it in there. Alright, let's see here. Got the Tech 2 diagnostics, 06 passenger car, Chevy. Brakes, anti-lock brake, DTC. Alright, so let's look at that. There's the code. Let's clear it. Yes. And came right back. So it doesn't look like the wheel bearing worked. So we're going to try and see if there's some wiring that got messed up maybe. Well, I think we found our issue here. It looks like we cut the wire in half here. If you can get this to focus here, let me see. Right there, that's where it broke, right there. So that's why when we plugged in the wheel hub, it didn't work because we have a break in the wiring right here. that we have to repair. So. So we repaired that one wire that was broken, probably broken when I broke the CV axle. The axle probably came down and cut that completely in half, because when I broke the axle, the light came on right away, like I said. So before we go too far, we want to see if we can clear the code, and that's the fix. The white wire was completely cut off. The brown wire, we might have to fix that a little bit because there's a little showing, but we'll see. All right, here we go. Plug this in again. Power this on. Enter. Diagnostics. Brakes. Like brake system. Oh, the light actually isn't even on at the moment. Huh. Interesting. Looks like that was the fix. Okay, but we still have a code in the EBCM. So let's view all. Okay, so it's still there, so let's go ahead and clear it. Yep. Okay, no codes. Looks like that might have been the fix here.
Making a mouse. So this is liquid tape. And usually by the time you use it once, the second time you go to use it, it turns into goo. And there was. What was that one other spot?
Alright, so we got the wire fixed. Now we're just going to clean up a little bit because we got grease everywhere on this thing. Well, boys, I think we got her fixed. Driving down the road just fine. Alright guys, we got the Corvette fixed. Snapped an axle at Rock Falls. Placed the axle. Messed up some wiring. Fixed the wiring. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. I don't know if you're waiting on a sign or what. We got some awesome content here. So that's gonna do it. Glad we got the Corvette fixed and it wasn't anything too crazy. Make sure you like, share, and like I said, hit that subscribe button. Peace.